Muscle Car Corner bringing you a 70 Charger RT. This is one beautiful ride. This copper color really works on this car. It's a 727 Torque Flight, TikTok DAT. It is nice. It's got a build seat, specs on the car. I'll tell you, I really like this car. Somebody redid the dash on it. Interior's been restored. I don't know, I thought this car looked better with black gut rather than this color they got. But that's the way it was ordered, so no harm, no foul. This thing is really sweet. Looks like they've done all the work on blocking this car. It's really straight. Yeah, I like it. I always love the gills on these doors, this type RT. The 70 had, that was a 70 only on the Coronet RT and the Charger RT. Really gave it a flare on that scoop on the door. On my 71 Charger RT, it's done with a decal and it's inset, but it doesn't have an actual molding that goes on the outside like that. So that's something they did in 70 that I thought was really cool. Just a small thing, but it really looks neat and it sets it apart from the other B bodies. So, man, I'll tell you what, I love this 70 Charger RT. Muscle Car Corner here, bringing you another beautiful Mopar. Appreciate y'all. Have a great day.